Hello and welcome to today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the New Zealand dollar US dollar pair. It's in a weak area on the daily. This after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand kept rates at 0.25%. We'll look how to trade it, but before we do that, please take note of the following. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please note that this is a general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's bring up the chart. So here we're looking at the Kiwi daily. I want to draw your attention to the fact that the candlestick is in the bearish area. That's the lower blue, lower red band. The candlestick is in fact a spinning top. It's still to complete because we haven't come to the end of the trading day, but it is showing signs of uncertainty. Nevertheless, we are in the weak area, so let's just put in an ellipse there. Take a look at the stochastic. Stochastic is turned bearish and is heading towards the lower quintile. Now, if it heads to the lower quintile and sticks in the lower quintile, then we may see a momentum push to the downside. Take a look at the RSI. It's also below 50, which is on the bearish side of the indicator. Let's just bring up the hourly. And on the hourly chart, you can see that our exponential moving averages, our trend following indicators, have gone into a bearish position. The hourly stochastic also crossing over negatively. We want to see if it makes its way through to the lower quintile, and of course the RSI in the weak area as well. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. So overnight, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand kept rates at 0.25%. This after the market forecast was for an increase of 25 basis points. The New Zealand dollar US dollar daily is in a weak area and the hourly indicators have turned bearish. Just a word of caution. The FOMC meeting minutes are due out at 6 p.m. GMT today, and that can have a bearing on the greenback. Please be aware of that. Hope you enjoyed this snapshot and found it useful. If you did, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.